What is up, guys? I am starting off today's video a little bit different. I'm starting off the video with a 3-week-old co-star. So you guys have seen the title. With these G35 or V35 Skylines, the door is absolutely shit. The door is super heavy and it never stays open. So whenever you jump into a car, see, the door doesn't stay open. So I have seen people on the internet putting the little milk bottle into the little door hinge, the door stopper thing. I think, if I'm right, it's Be Distinct that discovered this, how to fix this problem. I'm not saying his solution is not good, it's definitely good, but I just want a better solution. I want a better long-term solution than that. So this is what I did on the other side, which has been fixed. Door stops right here too. Obviously I don't have enough space, but works perfectly fine. Open the door, stops right there. So I want to show you guys what I did, how I fixed this. Now I'm pretty sure this is the very first on YouTube or on anywhere. I don't think anyone else has discovered this before, so leave a like, share this video, and yeah, I'll show you guys how to fix this. First thing first, you gotta know where the problem is. The problem is right here. So this is a problem. You see these little grooves? That's for stopping your door to shut. So even though this one looks fine, these bumps are just not aggressive enough to stop the door. One way you can do is you can replace this whole thing, but you're gonna have the same problem down the track. What I ended up doing is I bought a R35 GTR door stopper. So obviously Nissan genuine parts. Don't worry about these. I'll get the part number and I'll show you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch the end of the video. So obviously the left hand side and right hand side will have different part numbers. This is basically how it looks like. First thing first, I've got to take my one off the door. Pretty simple. You do need to pop the whole door panel and stuff. Also there are two bolts right here, one bolt right there. So one bolt right here, one right here, and one right here. And yeah, just like that, door panel is off. With these, you just pop these little clips off and then take off your window motor switch. The switch is right there. These one, you don't even need to disconnect that. You just pop this off, slide it through. So yeah, basically now what you want to do is you want to unbolt your speaker, so then you can get access, because otherwise you can't take this off. You gotta take it from the back of the door through the hole that speakers are. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Now I'm not gonna bother unplugging the speaker. I'm just gonna move it to the side. Since it has magnet on the back, I'm just gonna magnet to the door so they have enough clearance. And just like that, the speaker is slide to the side. Now what we want to do is use a 10mm just to break these two loose. I think it's a 10mm as well. Yeah, it is. Now the bolts are loose. You simply just put your hand, I don't know if you can see, but you put your hand at the back. Oh yeah, and then you just slide it through. So just like that. You slide it out and there we go. Now this is the R35 GTR one. You can see a difference straight away. This is a lot beefier, but what you need to do is, since the OEM use a bolt bolting into the door, and the new one that doesn't, the new one you need to have a nut. You have to buy those little 10mm nut that thread onto this, and then buy a little washer. I'll show you guys what you need to get. So with this one, just simply slide it in there. Just like that. And now you just put this little washer on there, like that, and then you put this little nut, which you can buy at any hardware store for like dirt cheap, a couple of cents. Now just like that, do the top and the bottom. Bolt the other one back to the chassis. Now you don't want to tighten this too tight. As long as they snug, they're good. And then you move the door back a little bit. So now that part is almost reaching. So then make sure you don't lose this one, because this does look different. Everything is tightened down, simple as that. Now check this out. Look at this door. Open it to the, fully open it, and then half open it. It stays. It doesn't just randomly rolls back. The other reason I went with the GTR one is the GTR have a little cover thing from the factory. So the little cover looks like this to cover that up. This is how you put it on there. This little clip right here, slide onto the little round knob thing, and then you just push it in. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, looking good. So now I'm quickly gonna put everything back together. And I'm going to show you guys the final result. Alright, everything is back together. Super easy install. All in all, took me 5 minutes. So check this out. Shut the door. That's the first click, and then second click. This is fully open. So just stays like that. Doesn't shut or doesn't do anything stupid like what it does before. Alright, the weather turned on me. It's raining outside. But anyway, this is how you do the install. It is super easy. No one have ever discovered that GTR would fit the V35 and the G35. I am pretty sure this one will fit the 350Z as well. Not too sure on the 370 and the 370Z, but I assume they'll be pretty much identical. Now this is like a $50 parts fix. You can get it from any Nissan dealers. If they don't have it, they'll order it from Japan. All in all, it costs you $50, and this is a really, I think this is a really good mod, or I should say a fix, you know. As I said, I'll show you guys all the part number you need. Start off with the most important ones, which are the actual door stopper. These are, I think the 50, yeah, it says right here, the right hand side. OEM link assembly, the right hand side, and this is the left hand side. So the only difference is this is 431, this is 430. If you Google these part number, they are the same for across the whole world, so you don't need to worry about that. If you guys want to take a screenshot, please do so, feel free to. Now with the door cover thing, which the OEM one doesn't have, the GTR one does. So these are the part number. This is 441, this is 440. So that's the only difference. And yeah, these four are the only thing you need. And those two little nut and washers, which you can get from any hardware store. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I will always pump out the quality content try to do something different that nobody else has done before. Share this video to your groups, so I want as many people as possible to find out this video, to know about this and to fix your doors, because this goddamn door has destroyed my freaking shin for how many times. It's just a pain in the ass. You have bags and you open the door, you jump in, and then the door shut on you, shut on your leg, shut on your bag, whatever it is. So yeah, without further ado, stay tuned for the next video. It will be a super cool video for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any problem or issue with this. Feel free to chuck it down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video.